Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with DreamHost affiliate program, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with the DreamHost affiliate program, visit the official DreamHost website. Scroll down to the footer section of the home page. Locate the affiliates link and click on it. You'll be directed to the DreamHost affiliate program page. Here, you'll find an overview of what the program offers. Look for the Sign Up or Join button on the page. Click on that button to proceed to the registration form. Fill out the required information in the sign-up form. Make sure to provide a valid email address and create a secure password. Once you complete the form, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. After filling in all the details, click on the Create Account or Submit button. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open this email and click the confirmation link provided. This will verify your account and complete the registration process. Now, log in to your new DreamHost affiliate account using your credentials. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available resources. Explore the marketing materials and banners you can use to promote DreamHost. Copy your unique affiliate links provided in the dashboard. Now you are ready to start promoting DreamHost to earn commissions. Choose the channels where you will share your affiliate links. Keep track of your performance and commissions through the dashboard. Regularly check for updates or promotions from DreamHost to maximize your earnings. That's it. You are now set up with the DreamHost affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.